How you doing, everybody? Pop-Up Paint. I've learned a trick. This will help people. You either like it or you don't, but something tells me you'll like it. This will help keep the paint out of the ridge of your can, so when you seal your can back up, it's not a mess. Make sure you wipe your edge dry before you try doing this so your tape sticks good. Push it down real good. Take it like that. When you're mixing paint, that's about all I need. So when you put your lid on, you don't have paint all stuck in your outer edge. Your paint can stay nice. It just works out nice. Just remember, before you put the tape down, wipe that edge dry first.
Hey!